Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today, as you guys can see, I have my tier tray here and we are going to decorate our tier tray. Guys, I have my notebooks, I can remember everybody's name, and this is the open collaboration full leaf tier tray collaboration. And guys, this is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Joyful Decor by Denise, Made Design Corners, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, and I Be Tall. Those are all the names that I have. If I forgot anybody else, my apologies. I will place them in the description box below. Well, guys, today I went to the Dollar Tree looking for raffia to put in here, but they didn't have any. They did not have any on my Dollar Tree. So what I did was, you guys can see, you guys see this little shred here. This is a paper bag. So what I did was I shred it and I placed it in there. So it'll give it the illusion of raffia. I'm not buying it. They have it like the one for Easter, but they were colorful for Easter. And no, I wanted raffia that looked like grass or something darker. So I shredded a bag. That's the best thing you can do. And at the same time, you are recycling. So guys, I'm going to decorate the tier tray and the table. This table is going to stay right here. I'm decorating parts of my home for the fall season. And let's get started, guys. So I really don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to move you guys over because I have to go back and forth. So there you guys can see what I'm doing. So I want to start with, this is a shelf sitter that I have for quite a while. I don't remember when I bought him, but this one I bought recently. So I want to use this to put right here on the top so we can put our shelf sitter there. So it is a little scarecrow, so we're going to place him there. I also have this little pumpkin. I bought it from the Dollar Tree a couple of years back as well. It has a pumpkin like a Halloween face, but it's not scary, so I'm going to use it. And it also has a little light, so I want to place him here on the bottom. So okay. Also I have my little sign. This one is from last year. It says gather with grateful heart. So I want to place this right here. I want this to stay standing, not too fall. So I have it there. I will bring you guys close to show you from closer. I also bought some recent items from the Dollar Tree. So the one that I showed you on my haul. So I have two more signs. This one, it says pumpkin season, and this one says happy harvest season. So I want to place this as well on the top. And this one I want to place, I want it to stay. I don't know. I am going to be decorating the whole thing, but before I continue, I forgot to put my doilies. So I'm going to grab my doilies because I want the doilies will make the color pop. So let me do that and we will continue, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, let's continue. You guys see I put the doilies. Maybe I turn you guys a little bit more down. So there are my doilies. I put them on. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's nothing that I can do about that. I'm going to use this little Dollar Tree little trees that I bought. Bottle brush trees. You get it on the Halloween section. I bought 4 of them. 4 or before. But I'm going to use these two here. This one is like a burgundy glitter, and this one is the candy cane style. So I will be placing one here and one down here as well. So you guys can see, like I said, I'm decorating the whole table. And also I have this little owl from the Dollar Tree last year. And this is a corn husk doll. It came in a bag. I have two, but one is on the coffee table, and this one I will be using to decorate over here on my tiered tray table. And the owl, I will place him here. I'm telling you guys, everything has to be put precisely or it will fall over. So, and I am not decorating towards the other side of the tier tray because it's not going to be moved. It's going to stay there, so you're only going to see this side. So let's continue. Let's see. Got this, I got this. And I have this one I purchased today. I went to the Dollar Tree, like I said, looking for raffia. They didn't have any. And I have this from the Dollar Tree. It's two of them. I don't know what the other one is, but I'm going to be using this one as well to put here on the tier tray. And this is the pumpkin season sign, which I want to use down here. And also I show you guys this little guy here. So I think let's see, sorry about my bad, guys. I will place him here. I will place the corn here. Just lay it there for now to see what I decide what else to do. And again, another pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just removing the tags because I still haven't removed the tags. And guys, so we are decorating. We are getting ready for a home tour, a fall home tour, guys. So as you can see, two of the pumpkin. I think I will place this one back here. And maybe I don't know how to place. Okay. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Where do I put it? Maybe I move the owl here. And I will place the pumpkin here. I really don't know. Just lay sideways like that. I think that looks nice. And of course, we're going to be putting some little flowers. The flowers, I'm going to be using what I have. Most likely they'll be white color. So to make the color pop, I'm just going to stick it in between. They're not fall flowers, but they'll make the color pop. So, and yellow, of course. It's just anything to make the color pop a little bit. On the bottom, let's see what can I add. I have these florals from the Dollar Tree. I don't want to cut them because I don't know if I'm going to leave them there, but stick them through Actually, I think this one I could just play like so right there. Yep, I like that. I really do like that. And I also have another, you know, the Dollar Tree, they've been putting these tags under floral, like you can barely take them out. You have to cut them. Like, so I hope you guys like what I'm putting together for you guys. It's going to be simple, but it's going to be nice. I want to put like something on top with florals. I'm going to use one of my antique. This is a beautiful, it's not fall related, it's a cameo for a little base. So I'm going to turn it around like this so the face look towards the wall, and I'm going to fill it up with some florals. So give me 1 second, guys. Let's do that. So guys, this is what my tier tray display looks like. So I'm just putting the candle touches, and of course you touch one thing and everything falls down. So I have to accommodate it a little better. So guys, what do you think? Let me bring you guys closer. Sorry for the movement. So I'm taking you guys out of the tripod. Okay. So what do you guys think? I think it looks nice. There it is. My full tier tray display. Of course, I will be turning off the light to show you. But I think I did a nice job. It turned out cute. So what do you guys think? I think I like it. I think I like it. So let me turn off the light, guys, to show you what it looks like with the light off. There it is, guys. So I am going to get more little battery operated candles from the Dollar Tree so I can fill it up some more. But this is what it looks like with the light off. I think it turned out so cute. I like it. And I decorated the whole table. Might as well. And I do have a garland that's going to go around here. I just didn't have the time to put it on. Maybe I put it on and I'll show you what it looks like. So with YouTube magic, I will be back in 1 minute. All right, guys, I am done. And there you have it. So I just put one around it halfway, and that's what it looks like. Guys, I hope you guys like it. Let's turn on the light again. This is going to be another collaboration that I will be bringing you guys. So let me come over here and show you again with the light on. There you go, the flower arrangement, the little pumpkin, everything that you see in this tier tray, it is from the Dollar Tree. It says the doilies. Everything else is Dollar Tree tiered tray decor. So guys, there you have it. So let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.